Courtleigh Towers. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment that is for rent and it is fully furnished. Let's take a look. Now, if you see that familiar green building, sorry, that is the R Hotel. We're right across from it. This is where everybody will enter. The desk there shows where the entrance security is. And if you have guests who come to see you, they can wait a meter while you come down. It's quite comfortable for everybody. And we'll give you an idea of what the grounds look like too. There is ample parking for you and your guests, and the grounds are well kept. Now there are more common areas. There's actually a wash area inside, and we'll quickly take a look at it. And I'm sure straight ahead you see where we have even that cart, because we do, if you have load or so to go up, it is available for use, and assistance is also available. So this is a wash area that you can actually use. The wonderful thing about this apartment is the fact that there is an elevator. No need to come up the stairs to the 3rd floor all the time. We have the elevator. As we enter the apartment, we see the lovely open space concept, dining area and living area. As we turn to the right, you'll see the nice, comfortable kitchen area as well. Let's zoom in some more. This furnished apartment comes with all that you need for living. It comes with large and small appliances, and even some of the everyday things that you need in your kitchen, in your bedroom. It's outfitted with a double kitchen sink, and of course there is hot and cold water available. Cupboards with ample storage, and a lovely pantry. The built-in electric stove gives you so much space, a part of this island countertop. Microwave, and as I said, all appliances and ample storage. This living area is quite comfortable, well outfitted as well. And as you realize, you won't have to worry about decor. This place is ready for you to move in. All you have to do is take your own belongings. Right at the living room, you can go to the nice patio that overlooks the city. We are in the heart of New Kingston. You can get anywhere you need to be in 5 minutes or less, even on foot. Let's take a look outside. This is just one of the views you have. So you can sit and lounge outside. And this is perfect for somebody who likes the city, who needs to get to places. You have schools, you have restaurants, you have banks, business places. I'm sure you can see some familiar places right now. We'll take a look at one bedroom. So the first bedroom here, do you see that lovely view again? As I said, that was just one of the lovely views of the city. So this bedroom is ready for you to move in. Perfectly laid out, air conditioning unit. It comes with its own closet. So much space available. And of course, it's ensuite bathroom. Now let's take a walk and get to the other bedroom. Another spacious bedroom. Quite inviting, isn't it? Ceiling fans, air conditioning unit, and again, another angle to see the lovely city of Kingston. It comes with its own ensuite bathroom too, as well as its closet. This is perfect for a small family, a single person, a couple. It works on so many levels. You won't have to worry about getting to work, getting to school, or getting anywhere on time. You won't have to worry about what you can find because we are in the heart of New Kingston. And you're able to get everything you need. And while you're in the heart of the city, it gives you that nice seclusion once you get home to know that you're still home in a safe place that you can call your own. As we exit this bedroom, this door is actually a storage closet. So there's additional space to store whatever it is you need, whether it may be linen or other things you may have. Thank you for coming with me on this virtual tour of the apartment that's available at Courtleigh Towers on Redview Road, right in the heart of New Kingston. That's a little off Holborn Road. This space is available for $150,000 per month. It's fully furnished, ready for you to move in. You can contact us. Thank you.